I have something in common with the Moon and Mary here in Fremantle, and that's that we both love to fuse different cuisines together. And today's recipe is a little ode to my favourite Greek watermelon salad, but with an Asian twist. I'm going to show you how to make my super simple zingy watermelon and cucumber salad. First things first, we're going to chop some watermelon. So I'm just going to go ahead, cut open this watermelon, and these need to be quite chunky, but still bite-sized pieces. And we're always going to look for a watermelon that's still quite crisp and firm. And that's going to ensure a nice textural crunch and crispness in this salad. I'm just going to scoop that up and into a bowl it goes. Now move on to our cucumbers. And today we're going to use some Lebanese cucumbers. We're going to cut them into some rounds, again chunky because we need the texture in this salad. Now we're going to get started on our dressing. Into a small bowl, you're going to chuck in a little dash of sesame oil, a splash of fish sauce. We're going to go in with the juice of a lime. What I love about this dressing is that you get a nice, nutty, complex flavour from the sesame oil, but also a lot of punch and a lot of zinginess from the lime. And for some extra zing, some fresh ginger. A pinch of salt. And also a pinch of sugar. Now, grab a spoon. Mix it all around. And just before we dress, we'll just go in, pick some mint. This adds a nice little freshness to the salad. And for my most favourite part, and probably a little unpredictable, I'm going to add a little bit more textural crunch to this salad. And some people would like to maybe add an addition of peanuts, but I thought, why not use some store-bought pork crackling? And it's as easy as crunching it up in your hand, sprinkling it over. You can go as heavy or as light as you like, but I love the saltiness this brings to the dish, and the extra crunch is just delightful. This is the perfect salad. I'm going to dress this now all over, and there you have it. My zingy watermelon and cucumber salad.